Hey guys, today let's learn how to remove an action button from your Instagram account. So if you guys want to go ahead and remove your action buttons over on your Instagram account, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Instagram application. Now I want you to go ahead and proceed with logging into your preferred accounts. And once we are already here, let's go ahead and tap on our profiles and tap on edit profile right here. And as you see over under profile information, we have the option to edit our action buttons right here. As of now, I myself has none active, but if you do have one of those action buttons active on your profile, the option for you to remove them is going to be located over here. Just go ahead and tap on your action button options right here, and you should see the option to remove them right on this section. Just tap on remove, and that's how you could easily remove your action buttons from your Instagram. Now that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.